Today we're going to look at a quick customer activation time analysis using some data we have here imported from Tableau. We use the Coefficient add-on to bring that in. You can use Coefficient to bring in data from many sources. If you do not have Coefficient, go to Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then search for Coefficient in the add-on store. So once you have your data pulled in, here we have a data set with user IDs and the relative dates that correspond to various stages in the sales process. So we want to find out the days between each stage to come up with a quick report to see how long it takes for each stage. So we're going to go ahead and use the Coefficient add-on. So once you have the Coefficient add-on open, you can click on GPT Copilot and then Formula Builder, and we will build a formula for this. And we'll just describe what we want to do, which is find the difference in days between the date in B3 and the date on the C3. And then once we have our formula, we can click copy that in here, and then we can just copy this down, and then we will build our next one. So we just modify this one if we like, or we could use Form Builder again. But since this will be the exact same, let's go ahead and use this and just quickly modify. Let that one autofill. And then do the same thing for sales to purchase. So this would be B2E. Put that copy down. And now we have our basic tables there of days between. We can use that to build this average. So let's go ahead and go back to our formula builder and find the average of column G starting in row 3. So this formula is very simple. We'll go ahead and grab that. And then we can go ahead and we don't want to autofill because that's just going to drag it down. We can go ahead and just do this and change to H. And then to I. Now we have a quick average there, and we want to get rid of the decimal points. And now we'll go ahead and build a quick chart for this. We'll just select our data and then insert chart. And there is our average. Make this a little smaller. I can delete this. And then just rename this to average days. There we go. Now we have a quick visual to see that our sales to purchase is the longest and our view to sales is the shortest.